If I tell her to get out, she gets out.
No, she won't. Can you sort him out? You don't
Don't tell me what to do.
Shut up.
Get back to your seat.
Shut up.
Get back to your seat. I need to get in, but I can't get in while she's down. I tell you, I hope somebody sits there, because I don't want to sit next to your sexy face. You're ugly.
What's up, everybody? Hey, Blood Jordan Rider here. Monday, freezing morning of October, and I'm just heading to do my forklift course again. So I'd like to share this video to you guys. This video was sent to me on my Facebook Messenger today, and I watched it, excuse me, and I wasn't really happy what I watched. Basically, this was on the plane. I'll let you guys watch the video. I don't know how old it is, but I watched it and I gave my thoughts on it. Of a old man who was just being racist. Now this is what a racist person is. They don't like sitting next to any person who are not in the same colour of their skin. That's a real racist is. They don't like sitting next to them. They don't want to talk to them, and they will say racist things. If you're sitting next to a racist person, this is what the person will say.
I tell you, I hope somebody sits there, because I don't want to sit next to your sexy face. You're ugly. I'll tell you this, if you don't go to another seat, I'll push you to another seat. Don't talk to me in a foreign language, you stupid ugly cow.
Mate, we can stop.
I will carry on as long as I can with this ugly black bastard.
Listen, keep your voice down. Stop. There's no need for that at all. Just stop. It's really easy. Just close your mouth.
You have to move this lady. Move this lady.
With her supervisor, okay? Stop, please.
You have to move.
Stop.
Excuse me, chill. Directly super rude, okay? You have to calm down.
Or throw him off the flight. Throw him off the flight. Get rid of him.
I know what some people say. It's 2018. Shouldn't be being racist. Well, racist is everywhere. Racist is everywhere. No matter where people go, racist is practically everywhere, I'm afraid. So I know some people say he's an old man and all that stuff. It's like, I pretty much don't care if the person is old. In my opinion, doesn't matter if you're old, young, whatever. And you know, there's only actually one person in that video that turned around and said, you know, there's no need for that. There's no need to be like that to a person that done nothing wrong for no apparent reason, because she is a black woman. Because she's different human being of a different colour of human being. It's just annoying the fuck out of me all the time when I see this. And I mean, in London, gosh, I've seen it a lot in London, to the point where I get really annoyed. I mean, You know, my family member never say any racist words or anything horrible, never swear or anything. It's just that when you move somewhere that people say loads of racist things and all that, you kind of think to yourself, what does that mean? And everybody look at you because you're stupid because you don't know what certain word is. Maybe it's because I was not raised up to know these things and all this and that. It's sickening. I am just sick and tired of finding people like this, and it's not just old people, it's also older people, and sometimes you just kind of want to give them a punch in the face and just saying there's no need for that. Because I remember when I was in primary school, this bus driver, he actually had enough, and he just threw the person off the bus, saying the N-word, saying the P-word, and this guy just went, "You're not being racist on my bus." You know, get the F off. But the problem is that he never get kicked off the plane. He never get kicked off the plane. And I think to myself, what? He's saying all these bad words and you're not kicking him off the plane. I think to myself, I'm like, wow, if it was any other person, they would get kicked off the plane. But it is rude of this person to be racist. And when people telling you that, saying that you're racist because you're talking about certain things, this is what a racist person is. Right here on this video, right now, that's a racist person. So when you're talking about immigration and talk about how that open to all borders and that, and people is calling you racist, show them this. This is what a racist person is. This is what, if somebody can actually put a label on you and call you a racist man or a racist woman, just watch this video. In fact, show them this video and say, if I'm a racist person, am I saying this?
I tell you, I hope somebody sits there because I don't want to sit next to your sexy face. You're ugly. I tell you this, if you don't go to another state, I'll push you to another state. Don't talk to me in a foreign language, you stupid ugly cow. As long as I can with this ugly black bastard.
I think these days that no one doesn't even know what racist is until you actually meet the real racist people. When you meet a true racist person, you will be gobsmacked what words come out their mouth. I do think that this old man right here on this video deserves to be kicked off the plane. He should have zero tolerance of this. For the man who stand up and say that there's no need for it, good on you. But you can actually see how the people there felt very uncomfortable about this man's behaviour. But also as well that actually people there that just didn't stand up for this woman. There is no need for it. There's no need to act like that, be like that. But when you are facing someone who is racist, the true racist person, sometimes you do have your hands full. And as you can hear in the video about this man saying get him off the plane, they didn't bother getting him off the plane. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. What do you think of this video and how this old man act and how did he behave? Should he get kicked off the plane? Should he? No, should he stay on the plane? Should the woman move? Even though that she booked that seat? And the person who stand up, I want to like to hear your thoughts on this. And as well, that for the man who stick up for the black woman, I will say good on you for standing up for her, because there was no man there to defend this woman. It is sickening to see a video like this. But I believe that if someone's going to be racist and be like that, the behavior is like that, then I would turn around and say is that you don't deserve, you know, you deserve to be kicked off the plane if you're being that way. You deserve to get kicked off the plane if you're behaving this way. So anyway, my name is Black Dragon Rider. Hope you like this video, and if you do, please share. It does help me out, and also thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright.